Good morning, everybody. Today, we're going to be looking at a problem with two-digit numbers, with a number in the ones place and a number in the tens place. All right? Let's start by reading our problem. It says 64 plus 23. First, what we want to do is add the numbers in the ones place. So if we look here, this is our ones place. I'm going to start by adding my 4 and my 3 together. That gives me a 7. Now that I'm finished with my ones place, I'm going to move over to my tens place, right here. In our tens place, we have a 6 for 60 and a 2 for 20. I'm going to add them together to give me 8. So 64 plus 23 gives me 87. We can write our problem like this. 64 plus 23 equals 87. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a new type of problem, and this problem is subtraction using a model. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read the problem together. Let's begin. Ben and Andy have 90 toy cars. Andy has 60 toy cars. How many does Ben have? Okay, so from reading this, we can look at the first sentence and realize that our total number is 90. That's why I put 90 right here. 90 is going to be Andy and Ben all together. Let's look and see how much Andy has. It says, Andy has 60 toy cars. Since 60 is one of our parts, I can write 60 right here. Okay? So we have 60 and a mystery number equals 90. I can find out what this is by subtracting 60 from 90. Let's work on this together. 90, take away 60. As always, we're going to start with our ones. Because we have nothing in the ones column right here, I can just add my two zeros together and write a 0 here. Now, if we look at our tens column, I have a 9 and I have a 6. I'm going to take away the 9 from the 6. That gives me a 3, which is 30. So I can go ahead and write 30 in my mystery spot. All right, so let's read the problem one more time. Ben and Andy have 90 toy cars. That's 90 right here. Andy has 60 toy cars. That's 60 for Andy right here. Now, because this is Andy and Ben, I can write Ben's name right here. All right. How many cars does Ben have? Ben has 30. So our answer is 30. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at another problem, and this is going to be adding small numbers together using a word problem and a model. Let's begin. Tim has 5 toys. Eric has 6 toys. How many toys do Tim and Eric have altogether? Now, we can start by organizing our information. Now, first, let's look at Tim. Since Tim has 5 toys, I'm going to draw a box for every toy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all of Tim's toys. Now, let's look at the next sentence. Eric has 6 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many toys do Tim and Eric have all together? Because we know all together means to add, I'm going to be adding the number of Tim's toys and Eric's toys to find out my total. Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11 toys. Just to make sure, I can go down here and use a number line. I'm going to start with Tim. Since he has 5 toys already, we can start at 5. We're going to jump over 6 times for all of Eric's toys. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives us 11. Okay? So how many toys do Tim and Eric have altogether? They have 11 toys. Okay, everyone, let's look at our next problem. For this problem, we're going to be using something called the crossing out method to take away. First, let's read our problem. Tom gets 14 presents for his birthday. He opens 5 presents. How many presents does he have left? All right, so we know that our total number is 14. Tom gets 14 presents for his birthday. That's 14. Now we're going to be taking away. He opens 5 presents. All right, so we're going to take away 5. How many presents does he have left? Since it says have left, we know it's a takeaway problem, and we know that this is the number we're looking for. 14, take away 5, how many is left? All right, so for me to do this, I want to draw a circle for each of my 14 presents to help me see the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many do I have? I have 14 in here. Now I'm going to take away 5 presents for each present that I open. Now that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I started with 14 and I took away 5. Let's count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to write 9 here in my box. Let's count one more time just to make sure. So this should be 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm taking away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to count all of these that I haven't crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's it. 14, take away 5 is 9. How many presents does he have left? He has 9 presents.